Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize with WordPress.com for plugin integrations, beginner guide step by step clearly. To authorize with WordPress.com for plugin integrations, start by logging into your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to the plugins section in the left sidebar. Click on Add New to search for the plugin you wish to integrate. Once you find the plugin, click the Install Now button. After the plugin is installed, click the Activate button to enable it. Locate the newly activated plugin in the sidebar of your dashboard. Click on the Plugin Settings option or the Configuration link. Look for the Authorization or Connect button in the plugin settings. You may be prompted to log in to your WordPress.com account. If you already have an account, enter your email and password. If you do not have an account, follow the prompts to create one. Once logged in, grant the necessary permissions to the plugin. You will see a confirmation message indicating successful authorization. Return to your plugin settings to configure any additional options. Ensure all settings are saved and configured to your preferences. Test the plugin to confirm it's working correctly with your WordPress.com account. You're now ready to enjoy the benefits of your authorized plugin integration. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.